Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Is it feasible to strengthen your immune system? Yes, it is the answer. The body's defenses against allergies, viruses, bacteria, and other organisms are strengthened through immunity. It gets the body ready to fend off hazardous outside influences. Low immunity makes people more likely to get sick frequently and makes them more vulnerable to harmful diseases. To defend the body from threats, a robust immune system is essential. 10 best immune system boosters you can use at home. 1. Red wine. Red wine is fantastic for the body's immune system when consumed in moderation. Salmonella and other harmful germs can both be killed with wine. When eaten in moderation, red wine also helps to avoid coronary heart disease. A daily glass of red wine helps the body fight off common ailments like colds, fevers, and gastrointestinal problems by boosting immunity. However, excessive ingestion of it might weaken the body's immune system and harm the liver. The consumption of red wine in moderation is crucial. 2. Garlic. One of the best meals to strengthen the immune system is garlic. Natural antibiotic, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal agent, garlic aids in the body's defense against several diseases. Garlic eating regularly aids in the management of multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, and inflammation. Additionally, garlic lowers cholesterol and blood pressure. Additionally, it lessens cancer risk. Studies show that those who consume more garlic remember higher white blood cell counts. 3. Honey. A daily serving of 1 tablespoon of honey is very beneficial to the immune system. It works as a natural antioxidant, antibacterial, and antimicrobial agent to defend the body from germs, fungi, and viruses. By preventing acid reflux, honey helps the digestive system as well. It eases sore throats, controls blood sugar, and treats cold and cough symptoms. An immune system booster during breakfast is a tablespoon of honey. 4. Ginger. Ginger is fantastic for boosting the body's immune system. Ginger is used to curing a variety of illnesses and works to keep the body healthy. It functions well as an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antiseptic, and antioxidant. Ginger also eases congestion and sore throats. Additionally, it eliminates cold viruses, enhances stomach movement, prevents peptic ulcers, and reduces cholesterol. A daily cup of ginger tea can boost defense mechanisms. 5. Green tea. Green tea helps to strengthen the immune system. It has a flavonoid called epigallocatechin gallate, which fights viruses and bacteria and encourages the formation of immune cells. Additionally, green tea contains a lot of antioxidants. Green tea regularly consumed fends off cancer, heart disease, and stroke. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt contains beneficial microorganisms, such as Bifidobacterium lactis, that support immunity. Regular consumption of yogurt can help avoid intestinal illnesses. Additionally, yogurt can help you from getting the flu, diarrhea, and other common illnesses. Yogurt increases the synthesis of antibodies and fortifies white blood cells. 7. Oranges. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C. They act as organic antioxidants and strengthen the immune system. White blood cell production is encouraged by vitamin C, which serves to boost the body's immunity. Additionally, oranges are a fantastic source of copper, vitamin A, and vitamin B9, all of which are essential for the body's immune system. The fruit lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 8. Chocolate. Cocoa increases immunity and aids in the body's maintenance of healthy cholesterol levels. An immune system booster is a hot cup of cocoa. Chocolate should only be consumed in moderation as it can cause sugar issues. 9. Fish. Regular fish consumption is one of the best home remedies for boosting immunity. Fish is a great source of zinc and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, while zinc aids in cell growth and repair. 10. Kale. An excellent natural remedy to strengthen the body's immune system is vitamin A, which is abundant in kale. It is a natural antioxidant that kills cancer cells and promotes the formation of antibodies and white blood cells, which guard the body against infections. Regular kale consumption keeps the body healthy and guards against viral and bacterial diseases. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.